In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a Mailchimp audience. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. So let's get started. First, you'll want to open your web browser and navigate to Mailchimp's website. Once you're there, log into your account and you'll be taken to your dashboard. This is where all the action happens, so make sure you're logged in and ready to go. Now that you're in your dashboard, look over to the vertical navigation bar on the left side of the screen. You'll see several options there, but for this task, what you want to do is click on the option that says Audience. This section holds all the audiences you've created, and it's where you can manage them. Once you've clicked on Audience, you will be directed to a page that displays your audiences. It's important to note that if you have multiple audiences, you'll want to focus on the one you are looking to delete. So take a moment to find the specific audience you want to remove. After you locate the audience you wish to delete, hover over it with your mouse. You should see 3 dots appear next to the audience name. Go ahead and click on those 3 dots, and a drop-down menu will appear. This menu contains several options, but the one we're interested in is the Delete option. Click on the Delete option. Mailchimp will usually prompt you with a confirmation message, asking if you're absolutely sure you want to delete this audience. It's a good practice to double-check that you have selected the correct audience here. Remember, once you delete an audience, it's often irreversible, and all the data associated with that audience could be lost permanently. If you're sure you want to proceed, go ahead and click the confirmation button. Congratulations! You've successfully deleted a Mailchimp audience. It's really that simple. If you're doing this because you're tidying up your Mailchimp account, or perhaps consolidating various audiences, it's always a good idea to regularly review what you have and remove anything that's no longer needed. This helps keep your account organized and streamlined, ensuring you can easily manage your marketing communications. Thank you for watching this tutorial on how to delete a Mailchimp audience. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more great content. Whether you're a Mailchimp novice or just looking to polish your skills, there's plenty more we can explore together. Now, if you have any questions or run into any issues while following these steps, feel free to drop a comment below. I'd love to help you out and make your experience even smoother. Remember, keeping your Mailchimp audiences organized is key